35 years ago, a visionary man, Mr. Bahadur Ali, from a small town of central India, Chhattisgarh, called Rajnandgaon, started his protein food business with three goals: good health for everyone, quality education for the underprivileged, and socio-economic progress for the weakest section of the society. In the year 2017-18, IB Group businesses have reached a turnover of $650 million. IB Group directly and indirectly have created employment over 60,000 people in 16 countries and 22 states of India. The company runs 45 schools and provide education to 7,500 students. IB Group is growing and helping others around it grow.
हमने ये जानने की कोशिश की कि आदमी को हेल्दी रखने के लिए, स्वस्थ रखने के लिए उसकी ज़रूरत क्या है, और उसके आधार पे प्रोटीन बेस्ड कंपनी की फाउंडेशन रखी और यह टारगेट लिया कि प्रोटीन, ऐसा रिच प्रोटीन जो आदमियों की हेल्थ बनाता है। जैसी हेल्थ अच्छी होगी तो परिवार हेल्दी होगा और उसके साथ उसका पूरा देश हमारा हेल्दी होगा।
In a world where commercialism has created an unavoidable paradox between quality and affordability, trying to produce premium quality food at a competitive price is a real challenge. It takes an extraordinary vision, enormous passion, and much innovative thinking to overcome this challenge. By investing heavily in cutting-edge technology, forming a strong team of dedicated workers, and building a tightly integrated group of businesses, IB Group has become one of the most respected protein food producers in all of Asia. Based in Rajnandgaon, a small town in India's Chhattisgarh state, we are presently the largest vertical integrator of commercial broilers in central India. These numbers are expected to substantially increase over the next 2 years. IB Group has formed a strategic partnership with Aviagen of United States, one of the most respected broiler breeder suppliers of grandparent and parent stock chicks in the world, with a 52% global market share. Starting with a state-of-the-art hatchery unit, all systems at IB Group are automated, minimizing human contact with the birds. Our broilers are raised antibiotic-free and are housed in controlled environments equipped with nipple drinking systems and automated feeding systems. We also have a number of layer farms that produce quality infertile tabletop eggs in massive volume. These eggs are sold through our ever-expanding supply network spread across central India. In a very short time, IB Group is also planning to start a chain of fast food outlets where it will sell processed chicken. The company has set a benchmark in India for producing global standard chicken using ultra-modern equipment imported from Europe and the United States. At IB Group, we believe that all ingredients used for producing feed should be of premium quality. With this in mind, the company has established 2 state-of-the-art soy-solvent plants at Indamara village and Tolagaon village in Rajnandgaon district of Chhattisgarh state. These units produce super high-pro soybean oil cake with 52% protein and boast a combined production capacity of 1,800 metric tons per day. The byproduct of this process is soy oil, which has become a valuable line of business for IB Group. The company has set up a 500-ton refinery to produce quality edible oil under the brand name of Aegis Gold. For managing good broiler farming, it is essential to have a quality feed manufacturing unit. IB Group has installed a cutting-edge pellet feed plant with a production capacity of 2,000 metric tons a day. The plant is equipped with hygienizer technology, which sterilizes the feed by heating it for a specific amount of time to keep it salmonella-free. This ensures good health of broilers, which in turn helps produce quality and safe food for human consumption. In fact, IB Group is the first company in the Indian livestock industry with such quality checks at every step of the protein food production process. IB Group also produces fish feed and shrimp feed. Our total production capacity for this segment is 1500 metric tons a day, and the feed is sold across India. Offering improved feed conversion ratio or FCR, this feed results in faster growth of fish and shrimp, shorter culture periods, and minimum loss of feed. IB Group has also started a 100-ton per day manufacturing unit of dog food and pet food under the brand name Drools. Today, Drools dog and pet food is available in assorted packages across India in various pet shops and with veterinary doctors. IB Group was founded with a commitment to quality at its core. One of IB Group's conglomerate of businesses is dairy farming. We house 5,000 high-yielding cows and buffaloes in our advanced facility. These cows are milked at our untouched rotary milk parlours designed in Europe. The milk is then pasteurized, packed by automated machines in pouches and distributed. Besides milk, IB Group also produces ghee, fresh paneer, khowa, buttermilk and curd. At present, IB Group's Avis Dairy produces 9,000 metric tons of milk every year. Dairy farm is expected to house around 10,000 breedable cows and buffaloes. IB Group, along with its self-multi-diversified growth, is committed to the cause of overall development and economic upliftment of rural people in and around their operational areas. Under this partnership farming scheme, we give farmers the option to start poultry farming along with crop production. This gives them an additional source of income and in turn a secure livelihood. IB Group's partnership farming scheme now has a placement of over 5 million chicks in farms across 8 states. These states are Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal and Jharkhand.
मेरी और बहादुर की सोच हमेशा ये रही कि हमारी प्रगति हो, हमारे साथ जो लोग जुड़े हुए हैं और जो जुड़ते जा रहे हैं, वो सारे लोगों की प्रगति है.
It has taken IB Group a mere 2.5 decades to get to this point, but our core values will transcend generations. Under the able guidance and patronage of Chairman Mr. Sultan Ali and Managing Director Mr. Bahadur Ali, the next generation is also ready now to take this 35-year-old successful legacy of IB Group towards another horizons of unprecedented success.
A for kite. K for kite. Kite means क्या होता है?
At IB Group, we are passionate about education, and we see it as the ultimate catalyst for inducing positive socio-economic change, because we know that these children will shape the future of this world.